And my name's Brady, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making 4 different Christmas DIYs to style your home this holiday season. So let's get started! DIY number 1 is a frosted candle holder. So you can use this on your coffee table, on the bookshelf, or even as a table centerpiece. It's very simple to make, so let's go try it out.
So for this DIY you'll need a jar, some white yarn, white glitter, a cup of Epsom salt PVA glue, a sprig of greenery, and a sponge. So you'll pop your jar, pop some PVA glue all over the jar. Make sure you put more PVA glue than I did, just because I noticed that the Epsom salt wasn't melting into the jar like it should. So pop some more glue than what I did. And then what you're going to do is pop the Epsom salt into the bowl. So that's 1 cup of Epsom salt and a tablespoon of white glitter. Stir in the Epsom salt and the glitter, so make sure it's nice and even so you can have that sparkle look on your jar. And after you've poured all the Epsom salt onto the jar, press it down with your fingers. So for this next part, you're going to be using your white yarn. This is just going to finish up the top of the jar, just to make it more clean line. So wrap around your yarn all around the top of the jar, covering the screw part of the jar. And just as you go, just pop some more glue on to keep it nice and firm on there. So next you're going to pop on a nice piece of ribbon to hide the sprig underneath the ribbon, and then just glue just that extra little top so it stays put. Alright, that is it.
So DIY number 2 is our star ornament. It's made out of twine. It is very Scandinavian. You can also incorporate it in other different styles like farmhouse because of the natural materials. And we're going to go make that one today. It's quite easy to make, so we'll show you how.
To make the star ornament, all you need is your scissors, glue, twine, and a star cutout. So glue the corner of the star and make sure you glue all over the tip of the star, pressing down the twine really tight so that way when you're wrapping it, it doesn't come undone and it stays on nice and secure. And at the tip you will be left with a little piece of string, so glue that down and then cut it off, and then do that all the way around until you're at the final tip. Now for the middle part of the star, what you're going to do is just glue a V shape on both sides and wrap the twine around in that V shape. And you're going to continue on doing that until you fill up the whole middle part of the star, rotating in different V shapes until it's all covered and complete. So there you go. So next what we'll do is attach the thread to hang on the tree. So what you'll need is some twine and a needle, and then you're going to thread that needle through and poke it through the top of the star point until you have enough string to knot it off at the end. Right, there you have it, a beautiful twine star to hang on your tree.
Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
So DIY number 3 is a pine cone door decoration.
So you can use this on your door handle or in a wreath at the front door, or even hanging from your curtain rod above your window. It just depends what you want and what you want to use it for, but it's very multi-purpose and it's very easy.
So for our door handle decoration, we'll be needing some glue, some scissors, a measuring tape, some wide ribbon, some yarn, smaller ribbon, and some pine cones. First of all, you'll be using your pine cones and the smaller ribbon. Now measure that out to about 30 centimeters, and you're wanting to use 3 pieces of that. Now for the next one, we're going to use the wide ribbon and fold it down starting at 19 centimeters for the bow, and keep going in towards the middle, making a 2 centimeter gap between each fold. And cut that to finish that off. And then I'm going to place the scissors on there so I can hold it down. Now I'm going to tie on this yarn to keep it secure. Alright, so for this next part we're going to tie on the wider ribbon. This is going to be our tail for the door handle decoration. And so you're just going to secure that there and pull it down so it sits nicely. And then here you're going to make sure the bow sits nicely by pressing it in towards the middle. You're going to want to make a loop with the 30 centimeter ribbon. So the loop one is 60 centimeters in total. That just creates a kind of a hook for it to hang on a door handle, and just glue that down to secure it, and add the 30 centimeter piece of ribbon on the back. And what you're going to do to hide that is to just tie a knot on the back with the tail of the bow, and then add the pine cones to finish it off to give that Christmassy feel. And what I've done is just glued it in between where the pine cones stick out, and that way it kind of gives it more of a seamless look. To finish off, you're going to cut the ends of the ribbon into the V shape.
DIY number 4, we're going to be making a tassel tree ornament. So this one is very good for obviously your tree, but it also is great to add an extra touch to wrapping your presents, which we'll be showing you in our next video. Hint, hint. Right, so let's go on and make that one.
You'll need a piece of cardboard, wire, some beads, twine, and some tape, and some scissors. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to grab the tape and attach the twine onto the cardboard and begin to wrap around until it becomes quite thick. So you're going to cut an extra piece of twine to thread underneath the twine that you have wrapped. So go ahead and thread it under, and once you have done that, you're going to cut off all of the twine off the cardboard and pull the string at the top to join it all together to make a tassel. Knot the top of the tassel so that will create your twine to attach to the tree. Then cut another piece of twine and wrap it around to make a little ball shape at the top to finish it off. And knot it about 3 times. You may want to make sure it's quite tight. Use a piece of wire to thread the beads to finish it off at the top, and bend the wire in half and loop it onto the string so then you can easily thread the beads on. Once you have thread the beads on, knot the top of the twine to secure the beads, and then knot the very top so then you've got a loop to go on the tree.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Alright, that is all our DIYs for today. We really hope you enjoyed this DIY video.
Hope that it inspired you to go and create your own Christmas decorations for your own home and have great fun doing it this holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe
And click the bell button. Woo! Thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Bye for now. Woo!
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go up on the...
That's not much.
Okay, fine, you say it.
I thought you said the whole intro.
Don't worry, I'll share it with you.
And that's too much and I don't know what I'm saying. Is that okay? That was no. Cut. Next. One more.
As Evie would say, one more.
One more.
One more. One more.
One more.
One more.
One more. We should insert her. Today's video is all about DIY.
Christmas decor.
Thank you.
Stop, tick, tick, tick. Down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Alright, I'm gonna try to sit down. My name's Amelia.
And my name's Bridie.
And we're high five!
Oh my gosh, I think I did that through all our intros.
Amelia, we're not doing them again. It's fine.